Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you I built out a client-side Canva image and PDF editor directly in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can just see here, this is actually the demo of the application. This is the full image and PDF editor similar to Canva. It has all the features. So if you are interested in purchasing the source code, I have given the link. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the zip file automatically from Google Drive after the payment. So let me first of all show you the demo of the application. So right here you simply select your image file, whatever image file you want to select. After you select the image file, the image will live preview, and right here you have the option to convert image from one format to another. So we have the output format. So from here in the drop down section you can select any. Let's suppose you want to convert this into WebP. Here you can even control the quality as well. So you can just see here using the slider, you can control the quality, just optimize it, and then you have this. You can select multiple images as well, or simply click convert. And after you convert this, your image will be successfully converted. And now you can click the download button, and your image is successfully, as you can see, it's converted to WebP image. And similarly, it's a image converter. You can select, also you can select PDF here. So you can actually convert these bunch of images, select the page size, orientation, everything. And again, you simply click convert. So it will simply convert this image into PDF. So you can just see here, and then we come to the remove background section as well. So if you want to remove the background with a single click, this background will also get removed. So it's actually, we have used, I written this from scratch. So only these three files are there. It's easy for you to actually deploy this application as well on any shared hosting platform. You will be able to add more features on top of this project as well. So you can remove background, you can even detect objects as well. So image detection you can even do as well. So this is the watermark tool as well. So you can even add watermarks as well, image watermark, text watermark. So you can easily do this. And you also have the ability to extract text from images using AI powered. So it's behind the scenes, it is using AI to actually extract the text from the images. So you can select the language here, any sort of language, and then you can extract text. And then you also have the ability, it's a PDF editor. So that's why you can select a PDF file. As you select the PDF file, you can actually lock the PDF file with the password. So here you can enter the password. And click on protect file, and it will actually now download the output PDF. So now this file is protected by the password here, so it's easily can be able to perform all these features. So you can just see, you enter the password and then the PDF file will open. So it's a fully responsive as well, because it looks quite good on mobile devices as well. So this is the application. If you are interested in purchasing it, I've given the link in the description. And you can even resize your image into any social media templates with a single click. So right here you just select the image file. So it's 100% private. It directly runs in the browser. So there is no server side code is involved. It entirely runs in the browser. So you just need these three files: index.html, script.js, style.css. So I written this entirely on the client side. So you can just see here, this is almost 1400 lines of code here. So this is the JavaScript code here. So we have used quite a number of libraries for building this. This is almost, I think, 4000 lines of JavaScript code. So it's a really big project, but it's entirely built on the uh, client side. So there is no server side code involved. So you can directly purchase it. If you still face any issue, I will definitely help you. So I just shown you each feature here. As you see here, it's a image converter. You can convert your images into PDF, control the quality. You can even upscale your image as well. Just provide the factor. So this will upscale your image. Then you can download this. So you can see that you can pick any color as well. So you can remove background, detect. It will basically give you 90% confidence, 54. It's image detection which is going on. So it will detect all these things here. You see. So here you can actually extract text from images. So by selecting an image file. So here you can even compare two images. So you can compare these two images using this nice little editor that I made. So if you're interested guys, the link is given in the description.